Yeah, movie is good. Movie is good. Direction Puri Jagannath, his mark is there. BGM Mani Sharma he killed. Movie is good.
Abhinay,
Acting is good.
What about acting?
Heroine is also good. Acting is good.
Hindi actor kaisa?
Big Bull he killed.
What about the story?
Story is good actually. There is a twist in between. There is a twist. The same content is same following only, and the BGM is good. I like the BGM.
What about music?
Music is good. Mani Sharma he killed like previous movie. Same. The BGM is good. Music is good. Dance he killed. The Ram he is famous for the dance. He killed the dance.
అంత ఏం బాగోలేదు, చూడొచ్చు అంతే. నాట్ గుడ్. యాక్టింగ్ బాగుంది. ఆ, తర్వాత స్టోరీ అంతా ఏం బాగోలేదు, స్టోరీ అంతా ఏం లేదు.
What about song? Acting, songs, editing.
ఫస్ట్ మూవీలో సాంగ్స్ బాగున్నాయి, ఈ డబుల్ స్మార్ట్లో సాంగ్స్ అంతేం బాగోలేవు అంతే. ఇంకా చెప్పడానికి వ్యూస్ మాట్లాడడానికి చెప్పడానికి ఏం లేదు, అంటే మూవీ అంత ఏం బాగోలేదు, నార్మల్.
Thing is adult content, like some music, some fights. So nowadays, if you compare with the other movies, I cannot stand with other movies. But for Telugu movie, now I am in Trivandrum. I never seen any Telugu movie, so I just came here. So I enjoyed the content. I enjoyed the movie. It's very good. They can do little bit more better than this, but I enjoy.
What about the acting?
Who's acting you wanted to know about?
Actor.
Yeah, hero is acting good, and even Sanjay Dutt, the main attraction for this movie is Sanjay Dutt. You know, he's a very good Bollywood actor, and personally, he's good. So, like, he is a very plus for this movie. Other than him, like even the hero Shankar, like Ram, is good. He's doing good, and other comedy and all, it didn't worked up well. Otherwise, good movie.
Okay.